Credit Karma loans are a type of personal loan offered by Credit Karma, a well-known financial services company. To understand how Credit Karma loans work, let's break down the process step by step. First, you need to check if you are eligible for a Credit Karma loan by signing into your Credit Karma account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Credit Karma will then use your credit information to determine if you are pre-approved for a loan. Once you are pre-approved, you can view your loan options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Credit Karma loans typically range from $3,000 to $40,000, with interest rates between 5.99% and 29.99%. The repayment terms can vary from 3 to 5 years. To apply for a loan, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your income, employment status, and social security number. Credit Karma will then review your application and verify your information. If your application is approved, the loan amount will be deposited into your bank account, usually within a few business days. You can then use the loan for any purpose, such as consolidating debt, financing a large purchase, or covering unexpected expenses. It's essential to make your loan payments on time to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Credit Karma offers flexible repayment options, including the ability to change your payment due date and make extra payments. To get the most out of a Credit Karma loan, it's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions before applying. Make sure you understand the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with the loan. It's also important to borrow only what you need and to make timely payments to avoid accumulating debt. In summary, Credit Karma loans are a convenient and accessible way to obtain a personal loan. By following these steps and being mindful of the terms and conditions, you can use a Credit Karma loan to achieve your financial goals.